Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one more big friend addition formula, big friend addition of 5. Now let us solve these sums using Abacus. The first one, 5 plus 5. I have 5 here plus 5. How will I do 5? The upper bead is already used. So direct addition of 5 is not possible. Okay, let's try the next one. 6 plus 5 plus 3. 6 plus 5. Now again, plus 5 I cannot do. Upper bead is already used. So, direct addition of 5, again it is not possible. So, how can we solve these both sums? So, in today's video, we are going to learn a new formula which is big friend addition of 5. Now, first of all, you should know what is a big friend. Big friends are the numbers that adds up to total of 10. Let us recall big friend of 9. I have 9 fingers. Can you help me? Who is the friend of 9? The friend of 9 is 1. Good. Now, who's the big friend of 8? Big friend of 8 is 2. Very good. Who's the big friend of 7? Big friend of 7 is 3. Good. Who's the big friend of 6? Big friend of 6 is 4. Okay, now can you help me? Who's the friend of 5? Correct. The big friend of 5 is 5. Now let us write the formula. So the big friend of 5 is 5. To add 5, we have to add the base number, that is 10. Add 10 and less the friend. Who's the friend of 5? 5. So we less the 5. We less the friend. Okay. Now with the help of this formula, let us solve these two questions. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. Plus 5 is plus 10 less 5. So plus 10 less 5. My answer is 10. Next one. 6 plus 5 plus 3. 6 plus 5 is plus 10 less 5. And again plus 3. Plus 3. My answer is 14. I have explained how to write the big friend formulas in my previous videos. You can check the link in my description box. Now let us solve more questions using big friend addition of 5. Now let us solve these questions based on the big friend addition formula, that is plus 5 is plus 10 less 5. The first one, 7 plus 5 plus 5. So, 7 plus 5. Now, plus 5, direct addition, not possible. So, the formula is plus 10 less 5. Again, add 5. Can we do it directly? Yes, we can. So, my answer is 17. Next one, 9 plus 5 less 3. 9 plus 5. Again plus 5. Add 10 less 5. Less 3. So my answer is 11. Next one, 3 plus 5 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Can we do it directly? Yes. Again plus 5, that is plus 10 less 5. My answer is 13. Next one. 7 plus 5 plus 6. 7 plus 5 is add 10 less 5 plus 6. Yes, we can do it directly. So my answer is 18. Next one. 9 less 1 add 5. Less 1 add 5 is plus 10 less 5. My answer is 13. Let us solve few more questions based on this formula. 27 plus 5 plus 2. 27 plus 5. Direct addition is not possible. So plus 10 less 5 and plus 2. Plus 2. My answer is 34. Next one. 58 less 3 add 5. 58 less 3 plus 5 add 10 less 5. My answer is 60. Next. 13 plus 5 plus 5. 13 plus 5. Can I do it directly? Yes, I can. And 10 plus 5. Now I cannot do it directly. So I have to use the formula. Plus 10 less 5. My answer is 23. Next one. 39 plus 5 less 2. 39 plus 5. Plus 5 again. Plus 10 less 5. Less 2. My answer is 42. Last one. 12 plus 5 plus 5. 12 plus 5. Direct addition is possible. So plus 5. Again plus 5. Now it is not possible. So we use the formula. Plus 10 less 5. My answer is 22. Now here we have solved all the questions based on big friend addition of 5 formula. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. In the next video, we will be learning about big friend addition of 4. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.